What's up, guys? I recently just bought these Bowers Wilkins earbuds, and they just came in. I got them off Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. But I've been looking for some pretty quality sounding earbuds. I've had the Dr. Dre Beats Pro. Actually had 3 sets. Skull Candies, all the cheap ones. I enjoy music. I enjoy all different ranges of music, from hip hop to country to rock and roll, pop, everything. And I was really looking for a nice quality set of earbuds. And I did a lot of research. I did about 4 hours of research and watching a lot of videos on YouTube of the pros and the cons, the quality, the dynamic ranges, and it came down for the money, the Bowers Wilkins. I haven't hooked them up yet. I haven't tried them on. I'm just doing an unboxing. And as you probably already know, global sensation David Beckham promotes these as well. That's not why I got them. I actually found the name, then looked them up, then saw him on their website, which was a surprise to me because I don't follow football. I don't follow soccer. And I'm just really hoping these sound good. Mind you, my ears are acclimated to Beats Pro. After about a year and a half or so, one side usually doesn't connect or want to connect and stops connecting. So I have to get a new set. And those are pretty pricey. Those can be anywhere from $200 to $275, depending on when you get them. These were around $300. Not too bad, because you can go up to $1,000 on these things for supreme quality. But let's open these up and take a look at them. All right, here we go. So it's a nice little introduction. Yes, these are the Bowers Wilkins Pi8s, sorry. Nice little intro. It's kind of like opening an iPhone. There they are. That's probably a pamphlet. Yeah, the quick start guide. That's cool. Little speakers. And here they are. Oh, it seems like there's already some battery in here. Oh, they're magnetic. That's cool. So the purpose of this video is just to kind of show you, sorry, it's like 10% humidity in here. My skin's falling off. Just want to show you guys a close-up. If you're thinking about getting these, you can take a closer peek at what's going on here. It's a small case. That's cool, it's magnetic because they won't fall out. And what's in here? Charging cords and different size earbud cushion thingies. Yeah, different size cushions for your ears. Then a charging cord. Type C. Type C to Type C. Cool. And that's it. Pretty simple, nice introduction to the product. Zoom a little closer so you can see this. My hands are definitely not for close-up. I'm a contractor. Oh my God, I probably got glue in here from 3 days ago. Yeah, these are cool. They're not too big. It seems like they have a giant battery on them. So I'll just give you the stats that they're promoting for these. These are wireless charging and audio retransmission from the case. They do have active noise canceling and up to 6.5 hours of playtime. 20 with the case. And here's the quick start guide. It just tells you how to connect them to your phone. I think this is favored more for iPhone when I was watching the videos. Tells you how to control them with the button. Tells you how to fit it. Pairing. These are iPhone dominant, but they will work with Droid. Made for iPhone, but they do show the Google Play Store. The smart case is wireless charging. If you have one of those pads, like in your truck, you stick it on there, it'll charge pretty quick too. Another cool thing is in-flight systems or computers, this case will transmit the signal to here, if you have to the buds, or from the buds to your device. That's another cool option that this thing has. So if you're on a computer and it won't detect the buds, it'll detect the case and then wirelessly transmit the signal from the case to the buds, which is cool. And that's what you're paying for. Another cool detail is the 12mm carbon cone driver inside of these that they use in their bigger headphones for that real superior sound. And I'll be the judge of that because I haven't heard these yet, and I'm looking forward to playing some music on them. Noise canceling ANC, it does have it, and you can adjust it, I think, through the app for complete noise cancellation, or you can lower it down for your, the surroundings around you if you want to hear around you. So I do have to download an app for this. Again, available for iPhone, Android. I'm gonna download it right now and hook these up, and I'll let you know how they sound. So I just downloaded the app. It's pretty simple. There are no in-app purchases, which is cool. You know how sometimes it says that and you're like, but you already paid for this and the app is free. It was very quick to connect via Bluetooth. And the touch on these is like, you just touch it and it connects. It's great. And I'll show you what the iPhone app looks like in a second. The app shows your percentage of battery life on these, and these actually came from Amazon 100% charged, which is cool. All right, here's the app. It's pretty simple. It just has a home screen and a settings screen. Here's your noise cancellation option immediately for full cancellation, pass through, and off. The battery amount at the upper right hand corner, 100%, that's awesome. You can add more music, some samples you can listen to. Streaming services, I have Spotify, so I'll be listening to music through Spotify. You can discover more tone controls, support, quick start guide. Let's go to tone controls. The case is at 55%. That's still good for not having to charge a product. You get advanced equalizer. That's awesome. So you can adjust it to the sound you want. You can go custom or true sound. Experience audio with the authenticity of the original recording. Nothing added, nothing taken away. That's cool. Wear sensor. Turn on to pause playback when you remove one of the buds during playback. That's cool if you ever got to take one out real quick and you got to talk to somebody and put it back in. You probably want that on. You can rename the product, do a factory reset, and you get product details. Let's go to settings. Pi8. We do have an update required. I'll do that in a second. I'm going to update this real quick, and I will listen to some music and let you know how they sound. And FYI, I do have one in my ear for this recording, this screen recording. I'm interested to see how I sound with it in my ear. So it'll kind of tell you the playback for the microphone of the Pi8s. All right, update is complete. Now let's listen to some music. So I listened to music while I was recording. Because the microphone was in use, the music quality isn't as good as when you're not recording. I can imagine phone calls, the microphone is very good for phone calls, as you can tell. When I turn the recording off and put the music back on, it's absolutely unbelievable. It's like you're in a studio and it's so loud, and the treble and the bass, the whole dynamic range is there, punching your eardrum. It's awesome. Absolutely amazing. I went trebly music, bass, hip hop, all that, and it's amazing. It's like a joy to listen to. And they're comfortable. I jumped around a little bit, shook my head a lot, and they didn't budge. They stayed in my ears. I'm looking forward to using these, listening to music, and when I'm working out, mowing the lawn, I'll have the noise cancellation on. So with the noise cancellation off, the ambient sound pass-through isn't too bad. With the pass-through on, you can definitely hear ambient noise around you, and when you have the noise cancellation on, you can hardly hear anything around you. I mean, a scale of 1 to 10 is probably an 8. It doesn't fully block them out, but it does a tremendous job of blocking out ambient noise. I'm absolutely amazed at the sound of these. These sound incredible. And for the pretty close price range of the Dr. Dre Beats Pro that I bought 3 sets for, and hopefully this is the last set for a while, and these things are incredible. You really gotta get them to understand the sound quality that comes out of these things. It's incredible. So overall, I'm glad I got them. I'm not gonna rate these because I haven't used enough products to rate them. But in comparison to the Dr. Dre Powerbeats Pro, I would say, this is definitely an absolute improvement in your dynamic range, depth of music, the height of the music, and the loudness is far more superior. Comfort is far more superior. Ease of use, they're kind of both the same. You touch, pause, double touch, skip a track. The app's really easy to use. The update took about 3 minutes. And here's the size difference between the Bowers and Wilkins and the Beats Pro. These are my old ones, and actually the left side is the side that's been cutting out lately, and I've tried everything factory reset. It's starting to go. And here's the Wilkins, Bowers and Wilkins. Here's your size difference. Again, I love these. These are great. I've had them for years. Third set, but I'm now have upgraded to Bowers and Wilkins, and I'm glad I did. Much smaller, fits in your pocket better, or your compartment in your backpack. Another cool thing when you're on the Bluetooth and you're listening to, say, a YouTube video and you have these in your ear, a lot of times, and you probably know, there's a delay in the voice by a split second. And with these, through the research I did, it should be spot on. So the audio should line up perfectly with the movement of the mouth so you don't get that delay. And yeah, there you have it, Bowers and Wilkins, the Pi8s. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe. See you on the next one. And hopefully the next one will be a Ram 1500 mod, if you know what I mean. Peace.